In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up an Airtable extension in your base. To get started, open the Airtable base where you want to add the extension. This is important because extensions are added directly inside a specific base. So you'll want to make sure you're working in the right one before you begin. If your workspace contains multiple bases, take an extra second to confirm you've selected the correct project, team resource, or workflow database. Once you're inside the base, head over to the Extensions panel, which may also appear as the Apps area depending on your Airtable layout or version. This is the section where Airtable lets you expand what your base can do beyond standard tables and views. Extensions can help you visualize data, automate tasks, create custom tools, and support more advanced workflows. From there, click the option to add a new extension. This opens the setup flow and gives you access to the available extension choices. At this stage, Airtable is basically asking what kind of functionality you want to bring into your base. Take your time here, especially if you're setting this up for a process that other teammates will use as well. Next, choose the type of extension you want to use. You can either select an existing extension from Airtable's available options or begin a custom extension setup if that better fits your needs. Existing extensions are often the fastest route if you need something proven and ready to go. A custom setup, on the other hand, gives you more flexibility when your workflow has specific requirements. After choosing the extension type, move into the settings and configure the extension to match your workflow. This part will vary depending on the extension you selected, but in general, you'll want to connect it to the right table, fields, views, or actions. The goal is to make sure the extension is pulling from the correct data and behaving the way you expect. A good tip here is to keep your setup simple at first, then refine it once the core function is working properly. When the configuration is done, run or preview the extension to test it. This gives you a chance to confirm that everything is working correctly before relying on it in your day-to-day process. If something looks off, review the settings carefully and make adjustments as needed. Finally, save the extension and start using it inside your base. Once it's active, it becomes part of your Airtable workflow and can help you work more efficiently going forward.